What's up you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am doing another Boxycharm unboxing and try on. So I got my February Boxycharm. So this is how the box looks like from the inside. This time I didn't get a pamphlet. I'll leave everything on the screen below. So first is this Becca Ultimate Coverage 24-Hour Foundation, and I got the shade Noisette, if that's how it is pronounced. This is how the bottle looks like. It does look like it will be like a good shade, but I'm not too sure. It has a pump. The next product that I got is this First Aid Beauty Facial Radiance Pads. Help exfoliate, tone, and brighten. I've gone ahead and opened these up. I've tried one before actually prepping my skin, and I think I really like. So that's how it is. You take the pad out and like clean everything. One thing that's great is that it is alcohol free. Yeah, I tried it and I think I really enjoyed this, but you know, you can't just tell these sort of things by just trying them out once that if you like them or not. So I'll give them a try a few more times and then I'll be sure for that. Next are these Evio Skin Aurora Refreshing Cleansing Hemp Wipes. I also tried these just before this video, and you just open up and this is how the wipes are. To be honest, I am not a huge fan of any wipes in general. Now I don't really like using wipes. I think they're super harsh for my skin, and you've seen my skincare video. I do not do cleansing with the wipes. I only use them if I have to like fix something, or if I have to like wipe the fallout of the eyeshadow. I might use these. And so the directions say gently massage a single Evio Skin Refreshing Cleansing Hemp Wipe over face in a circular motion, taking care around the eyes. No need to rinse. You know, it's good to have some sort of this stuff on the side on your table. You don't know when you might need something. The fourth product, and probably my favorite, are these Alomar Cosmetics Brush Trio. Wow, look at the brushes. They're so soft. So what I think, okay, so they said this one is the bronzer brush. It's a little bit dense, not too much. This one is the brightening brush for your under eyes, which we'll be using today. And then this one is complexion brush. But to be honest, you can use your brushes in whatever ways you like. So today I will use this one because it's a little bit dense for the foundation, this one for under eyes, and then this one for bronzer or something. Like, I would not use like an angled brush for my foundation. It would not make some sense to me, but I really like how soft these brushes are. I mean, and they're so pretty. The next product is the Ciate London Everyday Vacay Coconut Setting Powder. So I love coconut, and this is like super pretty. I mean, it's basically like a magnified mirror for you. That's what I think. Open it up. It smells good. So we're gonna first go ahead with the foundation. Now I'm not sure if I should just put it on the brush. Like, I don't know. Okay, hold on. So I can see that it's thicker consistency, but let's see how it works. And I've already prepped my skin. The foundation brush that I'm using, like the bronzer brush, it's really good. I think I put a lot of foundation because it had a little different pump. I wasn't sure. So this is no foundation with foundation. So this is how the foundation is looking like. I mean, I think it's a decent shade. Like, it doesn't match perfectly. My skin shade doesn't really match super quickly. It's not that easy to find a shade that suits me, but I think it's not bad. Like, once you put like bronzer and stuff, I think it should be fine. But as for the foundation, it is pretty full coverage. So next I'm going to set my concealer in place. I'm gonna take a nice amount and I'll probably bake, yeah. Now I'm gonna use this brightening brush just to set the concealer in place and like dust off the excess that I was using for baking. I think it's a really nice brush to use for this. I never really use brushes to set my concealer. I always use the blender, but I think it's good. You can actually go into the areas where the blender can't go. Now I'm going to use my bronzer and blush from this palette from Wonder Beauty. It's the Trip for 2 Blush and Bronzer Duo, and I'll show you how it looks like. I'm not sure if they had any like shades in this, but I got the shade for the blush Daiquiri, I don't know how to say that, and then Tulum, if that's how you pronounce it. I've been really loving this palette. The only one thing is that it has a little bit of kickback, so you might want to take care of that. Wow, it's a really cool brush. I'm not too sure if I'm a fan of this foundation because I can already see it, like, I don't know if you can see, but it's kind of coming off. And I just used my setting spray and then I'm dabbing my sponge on my face as I usually do, but I can see it kind of, I don't know if it's settling down or what's happening. I can see it right here. It's not as smooth as it's like supposed to be. It is full coverage, but I can see it like coming off a little bit already. So this is the completed look after using the products that I got in my Boxycharm. I think it's looking quite fine. So I'll go through everything that I have used in this video one by one. So one thing that I loved the most was these brushes. I packed them back again, but I really liked the brush that I used for my under eyes and also for my bronzer. I think they worked really fine. Now I'm not sure if the foundation finish, was it the effect of the foundation or if it was the brush that I used. I don't have like any opinion for this flat brush, but rest of the brushes I really liked them, and this is the finish that I got and I'm really enjoying it. For the foundation, I did not like the consistency, but it does say that it's a 24-hour foundation. I'm definitely not gonna wear it for 24 hours, but I'd say maybe 7 to 8 hours for sure today, and I'll see by that time how it stays on my face and if I like it or not, if it kind of if it oxidizes or not. But as for the initial finish, this is how everything is looking. I'm so used to like the foundations that are about medium consistency, and this one was definitely pretty thick. If I had known it before, I would have used like, you know, some sort of liquid primer for that. I used my e.l.f. putty primer, otherwise I'd have used like some like glow drops or something just to make it a little bit thinner in the consistency. But as for the finish and the shade, I think the shade is matching okay. It's not perfect, but it's not bad. So like I can go out like this, which I will. So it's not bad. I will put in the description how it worked throughout those 8 hours, and then you can have some idea, and I will also leave my final thought about it. As for the setting powder, I really enjoyed using it. It doesn't look like super white underneath my eyes, otherwise like it is actually translucent, but like if you look at the powder, it looks like super white. So I was like, I don't know if it's gonna give me a white cast, but I don't know, I'm really enjoying it. I think it's looking nice, and paired with the brightening brush, it worked really good. So yeah, kudos to that. The other 2 products that I did not use in the video, I used them before. Facial radiance pads to use as your toner, because it says here help exfoliate, tone, and brighten. Or you could use it after you cleanse your face and you want to tone it. For the wipes, I really don't know. Like, they will be on my table, but I'm not gonna use them every single day. So that's my thoughts on the box. Overall, I think the box was nice for $25 US. It's not bad. You got a full foundation. I mean, I know there are so many people who love Becca foundation. It's just that it's the first time. I don't know if I'm gonna like it or not. It happened with Huda foundation as well. That was for the shade, but still I found that was pretty thick, but then that worked out so nice for me. That's like my second favorite from the high end. So yeah, that is everything for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please let me know in the comments down below what you think about this February box. If you have received it, what did you get in it? And I am super excited for March Boxy Luxe. There are some of the products that you could choose. They gave you about 2 options, and I'm really looking forward to the products that I have chosen, and rest of the other 5-6 products that are gonna come. So look forward to a Boxy Luxe video, like a full box. I have not done that here, I think. Yeah, because I started my channel in January, so this will be the first Boxy Luxe of the year 2020. So stay tuned for that, and I love you guys so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.